guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is just going to be a quick watch me work video. Now it's not a tutorial, so I didn't get really super in detail with what I was doing. I just wanted you guys to see kind of how I would do a traditional sew-in. So yeah, today we use UNICE hair, as you guys will see later on in the video, but I'm just going to continue braiding the right side of her hair down because I did the left side off camera, but I'm going to continue braiding her hair down and then start sewing her hair. Y'all was watching the 85 South show, but I'm going to continue braiding her down and then sew her in, and I'll come back if necessary. But again, this is not a tutorial, so watch the whole video, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Bro, you did not have to do all of that. All right.
Right here, I'm just showing you guys how to attach the second bundle to the first bundle. And only thing I did different with the second bundle was I single tracked it, and that's just because I want to make sure that I could get all 3 bundles in her head. So as you can see, I got towards the top. I'm just going to continue filling her hair in until I am done. Now you guys, I really didn't do a lot of explaining on like styling, so if you guys want to see a really detailed video on how I do my traditional show-ins, meaning from braid down to sewing in to styling and everything, then I'll definitely do that. But I was limited today, okay? But I really hope you guys watch. I really hope you guys like this video, and I will see you at the end.
I would hope so. I hope so.